with breaking updates coming in. Well, viewers, the BJP has posted a new video to target the opposition and in particular the Congress party and the Samajwadi party. In this video posted by the BJP, Akhilesh Yadav is heard targeting his ally, the Congress party, and he is heard saying the Congress will be finished soon. This is a video that has been posted by the BJP to mock the opposition.
टाइट सवाल पूछो तो पूछ लेते नाम क्या है तुम्हारा। जैसे एक मध्य प्रदेश में घटना हुई, आप मध्य प्रदेश में गए थे और आपने कहा नाम क्या है तुम्हारा, फिर वो कोई मुस्लिम निकल गया तो मामला थोड़ा गड़बड़ा गया था उस बार।
नाम क्या है? नहीं पता है। नूर काजी है। पूरा नाम बताओ। पूरा नाम नूर काजी सर है। नूर काजी मुस्लिम हो आप? जी सर। ये भाषा होगी मुस्लिम?
नहीं, वो कांग्रेस ने भेजा था जो पत्रकार की। मैं सच बोल रहा हूँ।
मोहब्बत देखिए।
नहीं, मैं एकदम सच बता रहा हूँ। मैंने पूरा ट्रेस किया कि बंदा कौन है। बाद में पता लगा वो कांग्रेस का जर्नलिस्ट था, कांग्रेस वालों ने सवाल पूछवाया था और वो आज भी होगा पत्रकार वहीं। आप पन्ना में किसी से पूछें, पता करवाइए, आपको जानकारी मिल जाएगी।
देखिए कांग्रेस को आप कितना सपोर्ट करते हो, आपके पीछे पत्रकार लगा रहे हैं।
कोई बात नहीं, पता ये बीजेपी जिस रास्ते पे चल रही है, इस रास्ते पे कभी कांग्रेस चलती थी। कांग्रेस खत्म हो गई, अब बीजेपी खत्म हो जाएगी।
Congress khatam ho gayi. That's a statement that was made by Akhilesh Yadav. My colleague Akanksha is joining us on the broadcast with the details. Akanksha, what was discussed in whispers as it just got louder after the drubbing in Maharashtra? Akhilesh Yadav, remember there were a lot of talks that had happened with the Samajwadi party in Uttar Pradesh as well, but it clearly looks like a lot has changed after the Lok Sabha elections. Akhilesh Yadav openly coming out to say Congress to khatam ho gayi.
Well, absolutely. See, a big statement coming from Akhilesh Yadav, Samajwadi Party chief, that Congress is finished. In fact, the Bharatiya Janata Party has said that India Alliance has no vision, no mission, and absolutely there's a lot of confusion when it comes to the alliance. All this after a video of Akhilesh Yadav that is going viral on social media, in which he's saying that the Congress party is finished, and they send their quote-unquote their own journalists to ask uncomfortable questions to the Samajwadi Party leaders. Akhilesh Yadav also went on to say that BJP is walking on the same path Congress used to walk on. Congress party is finished and Bharatiya Janata Party will be finished soon. And Pratibha, see, this is coming in the backdrop of the UP bypolls. Remember, Samajwadi Party decided to, in fact, contest on all the 9 seats, and the Congress party has said that they will be lending the unconditional support, and they, in fact, did not fight that election. And if we talk about the national capital, here the Congress party and Aam Aadmi Party are not going to fight together as far as the Delhi Assembly elections are concerned. The similar situation is there in West Bengal, in Jammu and Kashmir. The Congress party did not get a very good portfolio when it comes to the government formation. The similar situation is there in Jharkhand as well. So when it comes to the Congress party, it appears that all their alliance partners are now dissing them, with now the Samajwadi Party chief Akhilesh Yadav saying that the Congress party is completely finished. A big reaction coming from them, and definitely Bharatiya Janata Party has also strongly reacted to this. It remains to be seen how the Congress leaders react to this, certainly ahead of the crucial elections which are going to happen in the next few months.
Absolutely. And in Maharashtra as well, after the drubbing, there were a few leaders who had openly come out to blame the Congress party as well. The Prime Minister has also taken a dig, calling the Congress party a parjivi, saying that it brings down the other allies as well. And we have the first reaction coming in from the BJP as well. Shehzad Poonawalla of the BJP has also taken to social media X to post the same. Remember, the BJP has now posted this video that we just played out for you, and the BJP has now taken a dig at the Congress party, saying, look at that, your own allies are calling you out. The BJP in the latest has also taken a dig at the Congress party, saying open digs are being taken. And this is what Shehzad Poonawalla says. Akhilesh Yadav on Congress after Aam Aadmi, TMC, now SP guns for Congress. And he quotes Akhilesh Yadav, Congress is finished. They send their journalists to ask uncomfortable questions to me. So the BJP says the India Alliance has become no mission, no vision, only confusion, and Modi say obsession. That's the dig that has come in from the BJP. So, Akanksha, this also comes at a time when the Prime Minister also, after the drubbing in Maharashtra for the opposition, the Maha Vikas Aghadi, the Prime Minister had yet again taken a dig at the Congress party, calling the party a parjivi. Now, let's listen into the attack from the BJP.
अलायंस है इंडिया अलायंस। हमने तो पहले से कहा था नो मिशन नो विजन, ओनली कंफ्यूजन, ओनली डिवीजन, ओनली अपना अपना एम्बिशन। अखिलेश यादव जी ने एक पॉडकास्ट में बताया कि जब किसी व्यक्ति ने उनको पत्रकार के रूप में कुछ कठिन सवाल पूछे, फंसाने वाले सवाल पूछे, तो जब उन्होंने जांच पड़ताल की तो पता चला कि वो सवाल कांग्रेस द्वारा प्रायोजित पत्रकार के द्वारा थे। मतलब कि जिस पत्रकार को भेजा गया वो कांग्रेस ने भेजा था ताकि अखिलेश यादव जी को फंसाया जा सके। इन सवालों के चंगुल में ये अखिलेश यादव जी बता रहे हैं। और फिर अखिलेश यादव जी बताते हैं कि कांग्रेस जिस राह पर चलती रही उस राह पर चलते चलते कांग्रेस तो बर्बाद हो गई, कांग्रेस फिनिश हो गई। बताइए, आम आदमी पार्टी बोलती है कांग्रेस बोझ है, टीएमसी बोलती है तुमसे ना हो पाएगा, एलओपी पद खाली करो। कांग्रेस पार्टी को केरल की जो कम्युनिस्ट पार्टी है वो कहती है कि तुम सांप्रदायिक हो। उद्धव सेना कहती है कि तुम्हारी वजह से हम चुनाव हार गए। झारखंड में जेएमएम कहती है कि डिप्टी सीएम पोस्ट का सपना भी मत देखो। जम्मू कश्मीर में उनको एक पद देकर रवाना किया जाता है। ये कांग्रेस पार्टी को सब लोग किस प्रकार से पर्सोना नॉन ग्राटा बना दिए हैं पूरे अलायंस में। और अखिलेश जी खुद बता रहे हैं कि कांग्रेस उनके साथ अलायंस में भी है और उनके खिलाफ साजिशें भी रचती है और इसीलिए खत्म हो गई, बर्बाद हो गई, समाप्त हो गई। ऐसे उन्हीं
So, Akanksha, this has given further ammunition to the BJP. Like we mentioned, the Prime Minister has also called the Congress party a parjivi that drags down the other allies.
Well, absolutely, Pratibha, and this was the reaction that has come from the Prime Minister during the election campaigning, during the Maharashtra election, that he called the Congress party parjivi, going on to say that while the regional parties win the election, Congress always face the drubbing. And we saw that in Maharashtra election and before that in Haryana and also in Jammu and Kashmir, where the Congress party only managed to get 6 seats in Jammu and Kashmir, faced a massive loss in Haryana and now in Maharashtra. And even we are learning that the MVA partner, the Uddhav Sena, is planning to not be a part of MVA when it comes to the BMC elections that are upcoming. So it appears that as far as the India Alliance is concerned, everyone is dissing the Congress party, the latest being the Samajwadi Party chief Akhilesh Yadav, who has in fact said and made a very big statement that Congress party is completely finished and the BJP, the path on which the Bharatiya Janata Party is walking, Congress used to walk on that path before. The Congress party is finished and the Bharatiya Janata Party will be finished soon. But as you mentioned, this has given in fact ammunition to the Bharatiya Janata Party to train guns at the Congress party, saying that as far as the India Alliance is concerned, they have absolutely no vision, no mission. There's a lot of confusion and it is the Congress party that is always dissed by the alliance partner, be it Samajwadi Party, Aam Aadmi Party in the national capital, DMC in West Bengal, National Conference, or for that matter JMM when it comes to election results as well, or most importantly when it comes to the MVA partner, as we're learning that Uddhav Sena will not be fighting the BMC election with the MVA partner.
So Uddhav Thackeray is also all set to exit the MVA. All is not well within the India Alliance, but the allies are taking open digs at the Congress party. Akanksha, stay with us. National spokesperson of the BJP, Shehzad Poonawalla, also joins us on the broadcast. Thank you for joining us, Shehzad. Akhilesh Yadav now saying that the Congress party is khatam.
You see, Congress has officially been declared as Parjivi, parasite. In Vikram Betal, they are the Betal, which they keep climbing on the alliance partners' kandha, and they start utilizing all the alliance partners' vote bank. And after that, the alliance partner feels that they are a boj. And therefore, this is the overwhelming sentiment, especially after stellar performance by Rahul Gandhi in Maharashtra and Haryana, where he's lost 90 elections. After that, their allies have started saying ki ye Congress to boj hai. Even people like Priyanka Kakkad, I mean, the party that does not have even 5 MPs, is saying that ye Congress boj hai. TMC has said Congress boj hai. Akhilesh ji said Congress khatam. JMM said Deputy CM mat mango. Jammu Kashmir, Omar Abdullah said ek mantralaya lena hai to lo. So, you know, the Congress has become political devdas. They have become political kryptonite. And they come close to anybody, that person gets finished. And therefore, they are saying कि कांग्रेस तुम दूर ही रहो, तुम खत्म कर दोगे हमको. तो this is the feeling that allies have. पहले तो जनता का no confidence motion against राहुल, अब ये allies का भी no confidence motion. बेचारे राहुल गांधी करेंगे क्या? But Congress party should shut its shop. That is also an advice that the allies are giving them. So they should understand and perhaps take it on board.
Okay, all right, Shahzad, thank you for joining us. Pradeep Bhandari of the BJP also saying that the Congress party seems to be bringing down the allies and now open digs are coming in from within the alliance. Listen in.
अखिलेश यादव का स्टेटमेंट ये स्पष्ट करता है कि पूरा का पूरा इंडी अलायंस, भले वो कांग्रेस और समाजवादी पार्टी हो, वो दिखावा तो अलायंस का करते हैं पर आपस में एक दूसरे से लड़ते हैं। ये भी साबित करता है कि कांग्रेस पार्टी जिससे अलायंस करती है उसी के पीठ में छुरा घोंपती है। इसीलिए कांग्रेस पार्टी को आदरणीय प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी ने परजीवी कहा है। इंडी गठबंधन महाठगठबंधन है जिसमें हर नेता, हर पार्टी एक दूसरे के खिलाफ लड़ने में व्यस्त है। इसीलिए जनता इनके राज्य में पस्त है।